Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this travel garment steamer iron. It's a unique sole plate, 360 all direction steam output, anti-water drop, pouch bag, 1000 watt, 110 degrees Celsius steam. Let's check it out here, shall we? All right, so here we have a nice little, like a velvet travel pouch with drawstrings. That's nice. Instructions there. Okay. Make sure this is put on correctly. There's that. Okay. There's this little plate for it. It's like a nice like silicone cover here. Put on there. It's nice. All right, so that looks pretty cool. It's got that. There's that. Looks like a nice plate there on that. Let's check out how long the cord is. Always like to show that. Pretty important to know how long the cord is. All right. So it's about 6 feet long, about a 6 foot wingspan. Pretty cool. Okay, so looks like the water in this little guy, a little cartridge, and we just stick it back in there. And it just has a little push feature there. That's pretty sweet. So let's go test it out. I've always wondered if this would be work all right. If you have some wrinkled garments, just go over it real quick and see if it straightens it out here. So let's see how it works here. All right, real quick to remove this, just press it and it pops out like that. And then you just unscrew this bottom portion, pull the suction down. I'm going to fill this up with water and screw this back on. When you screw it on, make sure it's straight though. So if it looks a little off, you want to just back it out and then tighten it on so this is not cattywampus. So I'm going to go fill this with water and we'll put it back in the device there. Okay, once I've inserted the cartridge, and make sure this button is out all the time before you start. When it's heating up, this will turn green, and then we press the button. Steam starts coming out, and then you just kind of go over it. So these you can, I think you can hang them up, or you can just leave it like this as well. It doesn't really matter which way I think the thing is going. Might be easier to place it on the table there and iron it out. But it looks like it's working quite nicely there. Already the sleeve looks better. It's really hot steam, so you just got to be careful. So if this part is a little bit like that, we can just iron, just go up and down, and it just seems like the hot steam really gets the wrinkles out nicely. I'm not one for ironing very well, but seems to be helping pretty good. I'm going to put it on the table now and try it. So just push the button and stop the steam. Just be careful, guys, because this is really hot steam coming out here. But any way you hold this, it doesn't look like it matters because the water is like kind of pressurized with that. So I'm going to put this on the table and then iron it. Okay, friends, well, here we go. I can just put this right on here. And yeah, it's doing a nice job of just smoothing everything out real good here. Like I said, I'm not a really big ironer, but this seems to be doing a nice job of it actually. So pretty impressed with this. It's lightweight and you know, easy enough to just work with on the go. And you can just use the steam, I think, function to just hang your clothes also and do that. This portion here is, I think it's supposed to be wrinkled, but we can make it flat anyway, so that's pretty nice. Okay, probably a bunch of people out there that this guy doesn't know how to iron. And you're right, I am not really a big ironer. Okay, but I know kind of the basics, right? You just kind of make it flat. And that's what it's doing. It's making it nice and smooth here. Just kind of pushing out our wrinkles. Look at that. It's working pretty good. All right, my friends. Anyways, I'm pretty impressed with this. Seems to do a nice job. And yeah, that's like really nice and iron there actually. And even an amateur ironer like me seems to work pretty good there. Well, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Let's see here. Is it out of water already? Let's check here. Press this, make sure this is out. And then we can press this button and pull that out. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to load this up. So the cartridge here, because I didn't do it live last time, so I'm just going to get some water real quick. First of all, just unscrew this portion and pull that up, and I'll go get some water real quick. Okay, friends, got my water in here, and I'm just going to put this on. And once again, we want to make sure that it is goes on there straight. Okay, and then give it a nice little turn there. This just pushes in there just like that in the center. Find the middle part, and then that just goes in there just like that. Doesn't fall out. This doesn't leak or anything. This is green. It's ready to go. So it's already ready to go, and we can fire it up. So pretty impressed with this actually. Puts out some steam really quickly. It takes maybe a minute to get ready, and then it's ready to go. So yeah, nice little travel iron on the go. It's small, portable, plenty of power. Like the design, and it works great. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.